we have our clean filter reminders. So we have to remove the filters to ensure that we don't get any grease build up within those filters that will restrict airflow into the machine. Now, depending upon how busy your site is, you can have that set to either a 7 days, every 90 days, every 30 days. We don't recommend that you turn it off, and you can also set the day that you would like it to be done. So you might find that a Monday morning tends to be a quieter morning in your week, so it's a good time to have that cycle need to happen at that time of the day when it's a bit quiet. You can change that to whatever you like, and once it's set and you exit back out of there, that then becomes the default. So every 7 days or every 90 days or every Monday morning, that cycle will come up on the screen to remind you to clean those filters and ensure that the machine's ready for use every time.